स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे 7 स्टॉक टू बाय फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म एनालिसिस रिकमेंड 3 लार्ज कैप, 3 मिड कैप एंड 1 स्मॉल कैप स्क्रिप Bajaj Auto Unleashed 7 stock to buy for long terms looking build a robust long term equity portfolio. Lending domestic brokers have handpicked the fundamentally strong stock across key sector ranging from FMCG and auto to infrastructure and consumer discretionary. Backed by the research-driven insight and strong growth potential, these stocks have received by recommendation from reputed brokers including Geojit BNP, Paribas, Access Securities, Motilal Oswal, EMKY Global and ICICI Securities. Here's a quick look at the 7 stock pick along with their target price. Representational image flexibility free pick unsplashed pixels. Geojit BNP Paribas stock peak Nestle India. The brokerage has recommended buying stock with target price of just 1,470. Axis Security stock picks CEAT. Axis Security has given a buy call on the stock with a target price of just 4,140. Motilal Oswal stock pick Dividing Intel. The brokerage has set a target price of just 180 for the stock. EMKY stock pick Bajaj Auto. EMKY has recommended the stock with a target price of just 11,100. ICICI Securities stock pick Sandhar Technologies. ICICI Securities has issued a buy recommendation on the stock with a target price of just 700. Geojit BNP Paribas stock pick ANCC. The brokerage has set a target price of just 201 for the stock. Motilal Oswal stock pick Bhilwan Brands Garage Ventures. Motilal Oswal has given a buy call on the scrip with a target price of just 185. दोस्तों आज आप लोगों के साथ बात कर रहे हैं 7 स्टॉक के बारे में जिन्होंने कि टू बाय और फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म्स के लिए एनालिस्ट रिकमेंडेशन कर रहे हैं 3 लार्ज कैप्स, 3 मिड कैप्स एंड 1 स्मॉल कैप स्क्रिप बाजाज ऑटो अनलिस्टेड।